We was praying in the Linwood Mosque, and we finished the first rakat, and we are standing for the second rakat to do the second rakat prayer, and we heard some gunshots, and first I thought it was somebody probably playing firecrackers or something. Then I heard one of the brothers call, some of the brothers got shot. And then I heard some more shotguns, and what I did, then I ran to see where's the shot coming from. And when I ran there was a F-post machine on the table. I just grabbed that one and I ran outside. When I was running outside, I see two people was already dead on the pathway, and I saw one man with like he had the whole army clothes on, and with balaclava, and I was swearing at him, and I said, "Who are you?" And first I thought he was from the army or something. Then I saw he's tried to getting the gun from the car, and I threw that F-post machine on him. Then he got the gun out of his car and started shooting at me. He did around 4 or 5 shots on me, and I able to duck myself between the cars and run. When I was running, and the mosque was like they had a car park way. I tried to run there, then I saw another dead body there and a shotgun next to it. That guy's, because when he shot the other 3 people, I think so he was run out of bullets for that gun, because it's like a shotgun, you cannot put too many bullets on it. He left that one, he tried to run to the car to get the second gun. I'll be honest with you, I didn't have any fear on me or anything. My only concern was to save other people from there to doesn't get hurt. And I just left that gun, and I see there was no bullet on it. When I pressed the cage, and there was no bullet on it. And I was screaming to the guy, "Come, I'm here, come, I'm here." I tried to put his focus on me. I didn't want him to go to the Masjid inside the mosque. And what happened then, I heard gunfire from the inside the mosque. That time I know he's already inside the other mosque, inside our mosque as well. And I screamed at him, "Oh, come on, I'm outside, come on, I'm outside." I was swearing at him and everything. Then I ran from the back, and I had the shotgun in my hands. And then I saw him, he dropped the gun, he ran, and I chased him. I chased him, he ran to his car, he sat on his driver's seat. When he sat on the driver's seat, I didn't know if he had another gun there or things. He might get another gun to shoot me. And what I did, and that shotgun I had in my hands, I threw like an arrow on him, and he burst his window, and that way he got shocked. He thought I'd probably shoot at him or something, because all this window was blasted. And he just swear to me and just took off. And I chased him with that gun on the street. Then because it was red light, and he has to stop. And what he did, he just come to the other line and just turned right from the red light, traffic lights, and he ran away.